Dear parents and students, welcome to Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Mobile number 75680 Class 4, Subject SS, Chapter 1, Lecture number 1. If you have any doubt in this lecture, then you just need to write in your notebook. Whenever your school class will be open, then you may clear to related teacher. इस लेक्चर से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट है तो अपनी नोटबुक में लिखें. जैसे स्कूल ओपन हो तब सब्जेक्ट रिलेटेड टीचर से डिस्कस करें. Chapter 1, The Story of the Past. Story means कहानी, past means पुराना. पुरानी कहानी. Theme, the story of the past. Lesson objective. The student will be able to understand the impact of past events in today's context. Impact means क्या प्रभाव है, क्या असर है. What are the effect of past event in our present life? Do you think any impact of past event in our present life? It helps to live present better. Second, appreciate the rich heritage and tradition based on historical facts and evidence. History is totally based on historical facts and evidence. Evidence means sabut, proof. Appreciate means qadr karna, value karna. Rich heritage means virasat. So what is the rich heritage? What is the rich heritage? Rich heritage is our monuments, forts. Look at this, these are very different. Foreigners came to India to visit these monuments. For example, Taj Mahal. In Taj Mahal, you can see some fountains there. These fountains are running normally with the help of Yamuna river. There is no system there. Third, infer in the work of both historians and archaeologists. We discuss about the work of historian and archaeologist. Historians are different, archaeologists are different. Historians' work is to record history, only paperwork, but archaeologists, they study tools, weapons and all materials. Whatever materials we found from monuments, etc. These all are studied by archaeologists. Taking off. Here you can see some questions. These questions help you to identify the difference between past and present lifestyle. Interview your or your friend's grandparents. Write their answer to the questions given below in your notebook. During their time when they were kids like you, what they do? First, were there bicycle or car as common means of transport? So, bicycles and cars are common. Everyone have their personal car? No. In present time we have our personal car and bicycle, but that time they people don't have. If they want to go somewhere, they need a cycle or walk. That's it. Second, were there radios or CD players to listen music? Nowadays, if you want to listen music, what do you use? You use iPod, smartphone, laptop, etc. But they use radio and CD player to listen music. Were television black and white or colored? किसी ने ब्लैक और वाइट टेलीविजन देखा है? ब्लैक एंड वाइट टेलीविजन में आपको ड्रेस के कलर, कार के कलर कोई भी नहीं दिखते हैं. सिर्फ ब्लैक और वाइट दो ही शेड दिखते हैं. रेड, येलो, पिंक कोई शेड नहीं दिखेगा उस मूवी में आपको. यू कांट आइडेंटिफाई एनी कलर. But now we have slim LED TV with HD quality. So on that point of view, on the basis of entertainment, present is more better than yesterday. Was water drawn from wells or were there taps? When you visit a village, you can see they drawn water from wells with the help of rope. वो लोग कुएं से पानी खींचते हैं. But nowadays we have taps in our home. Just open it and you have water directly your home, which is more easy to draw water from well or just open the tap. Obviously tap is easy. Did children play outdoors or play video games indoors? That time, what is the pastime of children? Due to lack of technology, they played outdoor games. Outdoor games like cricket, kabaddi. And now, present kids play mobile games, video games. But you don't know the bad effects of indoor games. Indoor games affect your body's health. So it's my request to play outdoor games. It helps you to improve your fitness. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आउटडोर गेम्स खेलें. Whatever of your choice, बैडमिंटन, क्रिकेट, कबड्डी, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगे, but please play outdoor games more. Did they commonly use postcard or electronic mail to communicate? What do you think? If you want to talk with each other, which method they use? postcard. आज मैंने एक लेटर पोस्ट किया है तो मुझे कब मिलेगा? Maybe 1 month, 15 days, 1 week. There is no fixed limit. But now, if I want to talk with anyone, just dial his number and he's on phone. So, phone is the best option to communicate with each other. Discuss your finding in class. When you read the answers of your and your friends' grandparents, you are actually reading about the past. I think from this discussion, maybe you get little bit knowledge about the present and past. Next, anything that tell us about the past or the event that took place in the past is called history. Means what happened yesterday is a past. Whatever. What happened yesterday is a past. Before a month is a past. Before a year is a past. जो बीत गया वो पास्ट है और वो ही हिस्ट्री है. For example, last year you celebrated your birthday with your friend. So it's past event and it's a history. It's a record of past event in a sequential or chronological order. Usually past event record in sequential or chronological order. Sequential means one by one and chronological means date wise. So one by one सारे past events को रिकॉर्ड किया है डेट वाइज. People who study history are called historians. The person who study history are called historians. कुछ लोगों को बहुत इंटरेस्ट होता है हिस्ट्री को पढ़ने में. So these people are called historians. What we call historians. The need to study history. What is the need of history in our life? History हमारे लिए ज़रूरी क्यों है? We need to study history because of the following reason. First, history gives us better understanding of the lifestyle of the people who lived before us, what they ate, the clothes they wore, and the houses they lived in. With the help of history, we get the knowledge what earlier people eat, their food habits, what they wear. Whenever you went to temple, you can see the statues. In this statue, the dresses are very different as compared to today's culture. Earlier people live in hut and the higher authority, the kings live in fort. So all this knowledge we get from the history. History हमें हेल्प करता है। पुराने लोगों के ड्रेसिंग सेंस, उनकी ईटिंग हैबिट्स, उनके हाउसेस का पैटर्न, इन सब चीज़ों का नॉलेज हमें हिस्ट्री से होता है। सेकेंड, थ्रू अ हिस्ट्री ऑफ पास्ट we understand present better. What does mean? If we get the knowledge of history, then we'll make our present better. Really, is it possible? Let me explain by an example. I think everyone heard about Ayurvedic treatment. Ayurvedic treatment is a past history. If we have cold, then we can easily cure by Ayurvedic treatment at home. So it helps to create our present better. आयुर्वेद से हमें कितने सारे ट्रीटमेंट मिले हैं। Many diseases can be cured by the Ayurveda. Third, history helps us understand the events that happening in the world today. What's the meaning of the sentence? आज जो होने वाला है उसका नॉलेज हमें पास्ट से हो रहा है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, $100 years before, astrologer predict that in year 2020 people will suffer from an epidemic. Epidemic means Mahabari. So you can see we have suffered from corona epidemic. So history help us to know future events also. Periodization of history. Periodization of history means division of history. We divide history into parts and these parts are called periods. History is actually continuous. However, to understand history better, it is necessary to divide history into parts called periods. What we called these parts? These parts are called period. Each period in history has some common features. Each period has some common features. In India, history has been divided into 3 periods: ancient, medieval and modern period. In ancient period, we can study about Indus civilization, Maurya Empire, Gupta Empire, etc. In medieval period, we can study about attack of Mughals. And the third, modern period. Modern period will study about the British rule and war till independence, till today. So this division helps to understand history better. इंडियन हिस्ट्री को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया है: एंशियंट, मेडिवल एंड मॉडर्न. एंशियंट, मौर्यन एंड इंडस वैली. सेकेंड, मेडिवल. मेडिवल में आएगा अटैक्स ऑफ मुगल्स. थर्ड, मॉडर्न. मॉडर्न में आएगा ब्रिटिश रूल. Okay, it's enough for today. Now come to your homework portion. Class 4, Subject SS, Chapter 1, Lecture number 1, Homework. Meaning impact. Impact means प्रभाव या असर. Event, घटना और इंसिडेंट. Appreciate, सराहना. सराहना मीन्स किसी चीज़ की तारीफ करना. Evidence, सबूत, proof. Archaeologist, study past material. Note, send your daily homework before 9 o'clock every day in good handwriting on this WhatsApp number 75680774458. डेली 9 बजे से पहले आपको अपना होमवर्क रफ नोटबुक में गुड हैंडराइटिंग में करके स्कूल के व्हाट्सएप नंबर 75680774458 पर सेंड करना है. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.